Union is a set method in Python that returns a new set containing all elements that are in every set such that no element appears more than once. Python has a few different ways to perform the set union operation. First, you can just use the union method. You have these two sets and then you union them together into a third set. Let's see what happens. As you can see from the output, every element from each set is in the new set, but, crucially, even though there was both a 3 in set A and set B, there's only one 3 in the new set C. This is by design, as sets are not allowed to contain duplicates. There's another way to union two sets. There's a difference that we won't get into in this video, but practically speaking, this way functions very similar to the first way. All we have to do is change this code from using the union method to putting a pipe operator between the two sets. If we go check the output now, we will see we have the same set from the previous run of the code. Finally, sets are not limited to only being unioned 2 at a time in Python. You can pass however many sets you want to union, and they will all be unioned together into a new set. This has been Kubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.